Hey everyone, as you can tell by that community post I made, I got Scourge, G1 Scourge, and G1 Astrotrain. These are both reissues. Very happy to be unboxing these two. I'll start off with Scourge. I'll be back in just a minute. Here's Scourge in his robot mode. Front, side, back. Whoa. Other side. Front again. I'll get Scourge into his hovercraft mode. Here's Scourge in his hovercraft mode. Front, side, back. Other side, excuse me. Front again. See, I put all the stickers on. Little wheels so you can roll them around. If I just tilt my phone down. He looks a lot like a land speeder. He looks a bit like a land speeder from Star Wars. This vehicle mode, the hovercraft mode for Scourge, is giving me a lot of Star Wars land speeder vibes. As it just drags along the ground. Now I'll move on to Astrotrain. Here's Astrotrain, and I'll only be showing the robot mode because this guy's a pain to transform. So front, side, back, other side, front again. Maybe see there's a little Decepticon symbol right there. Thank you and have a good one.